Hey, what's going on guys? John here, back at it again, and let's talk charging this time. So there's some light at the end of the tunnel with EV and ICE cars. Internal combustion engines has been here for a very long time, and finally it's time for them to go. And what that means is that gas stations have to go. Well, not exactly. Gas stations don't disappear just overnight like that, and this is why in Vancouver, the city of Vancouver bylaw is now coming out with a rule saying that gas stations have to come with at least a minimum of 2 to 3 chargers. Now, unsurprisingly, I do live in Vancouver, so this is where I got the first dips from, but I'm sure a lot of countries, a lot of cities are doing the exact same thing. They're mandating that chargers be installed. Otherwise, owners are gonna pay a very steep fine. So this is gonna be the rule for Vancouver, $10,000 by 2025 if you do not install chargers. So like I said, 2025, January 1st is going to be the deadline for you to install a charger if you are a gas station owner. Now, if you don't want to do that for whatever reason and you want to keep your just solely a gas station, you're just going to be paying roughly $10,000 annually. So not too bad in the grand scheme of things, but just know that you're going to be affecting the whole EV movement and you're sort of an asshole. So please install that if you are a gas station owner. Now, there's going to be a couple requirements here for at least the city of Vancouver. You're going to need at least 4 50 kilowatt DC fast charging. And then for those owners that just have pure lots, and I'm talking about lots like shopping mall lots and outlet lots and casino lots, you're gonna be asked to at least install 20 fast chargers there. So if you don't, you're gonna be paying a very steep fine. There's no determination of what the fine is for the free lots, but at least for the gas station, you do have sort of an understanding of what you need to do. Now, at the present time, there is only 2 gas stations in Vancouver, in the downtown area and the west side, that does have the EV fast chargers, and there's literally only 1 spot. I think there's 1 or 2, that's why I'm sort of holding half it up, but there's only 2 spots, and that takes a very long time. And this is why the government is incentivizing them to install chargers, because they know a lot of EVs are going to be coming very soon. Now, if you guys live in Vancouver like I do, you know how big Vancouver is. It's not as big as, let's say, LA or any of the major cities, but in terms of the available Teslas out there, you're gonna be seeing at least 50% of Teslas compared to other cars. The adoption rate is insane. The BC incentive originally gave at least $8,000 to $10,000 off of a standard range, so that's the reason why everybody jumped out and picked it up. Now there's no more incentive, unfortunately, but there is still a big amount of Teslas out there right now, and we're not even including any other EV cars, so we definitely need a lot more chargers. Alright, so just to wrap up the video, the charger is going to be costing at least $135,000 to install, so the return of investment is going to be pretty substantial there eventually, but for the first few years, I'm sure there's going to be a loss somewhere. Shop owners will definitely earn it back in terms of just the electricity itself, but everything else is going to take a couple years before they can get ROI on that. So yeah, this should be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. More content on EVs, chargers, Teslas, and everything else coming up very soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please hit the subscribe button, that bell notification, and once again, peace out.